Meal planning is crucial for individuals with diabetes to help manage blood sugar levels and maintain overall health. Here are some easy tips to create a balanced and diabetes-friendly meal plan. Consult a healthcare professional. Before making any significant dietary changes, consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your specific needs and goals. Choose complex carbohydrates. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta instead of refined grains. These complex carbohydrates have a lower glycemic index, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Watch portion sizes. Controlling portion sizes is essential for managing blood sugar. Use measuring cups and a food scale to accurately portion your meals. This can prevent overeating and ensure you're getting the right balance of nutrients. Include lean proteins. Incorporate lean sources of protein such as skinless poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and legumes into your meals. Protein helps control hunger and stabilize blood sugar levels. Embrace healthy fats. Choose unsaturated fats like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These fats can improve insulin sensitivity and support heart health. Limit saturated and trans fats found in fried foods and processed snacks. Fiber-rich foods. Foods high in fiber, like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, can slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. Balanced meals. Create balanced meals that include a mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This combination can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Snack smartly. If you need to snack, choose healthy options such as Greek yogurt, sliced vegetables with hummus, or a small handful of nuts. Avoid sugary snacks and opt for those with a good balance of nutrients. Limit sugary foods. Minimize or eliminate sugary beverages, desserts, and snacks from your diet. If you have a sweet tooth, consider healthier alternatives like fruit or sugar-free options in moderation. Regular meal times. Try to eat meals and snacks at consistent times each day. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and can make it easier to manage your diabetes. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.